train had 6 engines in the front. I've already seen one in the middle, so we thought we'd just kind of wait it out, shut the car off, so we're not out in the middle of the highway. As you can see, it's kind of packed over there. We'll just keep waiting. Rocky Mountain Race Week 2023. So part of race week is the actual driving here in beautiful United States of America, and now you come up on a new state. Welcome to colorful Colorado.
An innocent wheel-bearing failure will have a long-lasting impact on our next 52 hours. With the help of many, we are still in the event. Subscribe to the channel to see how this unfolds. And yes, 1320 video caught us broken down, so look for us about 13 minutes into their day 2-3 coverage of Rocky Mountain Race Week 2023.